Hello guys and girls, I will show you now how to mining Russian rubles. Let us show you today Capitalov.com to take the second payment. First log into this site, check out my running balance. Now run from the running balance to the main balance. My main balance has been added. Showing this message, this view has been added to the balance. Now keep an eye on my pair account balance. Click Capitalov.com. Now click withdrawal of funds. Write how much now. See that this has been lifted, showing this message. Click my account. Look at this. Cut from my main balance. Now let us see with my pair account roulette. See, my pair account balance has been added. Thank you so much to see the full video. Please subscribe, then look for more new videos. Here's how to invest. The video link given in the description below. See, from my account have been sent there, so there's less money showing now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.